help me understand, Radhika, if I have to ask you, what will help me achieve that retirement goal? You did talk about mutual fund or an RD. What are is mutual fund the starting point? Because you are into this field, so you can probably help us understand next 20 years, 30 years. Also, will this rule as an asset class?
See, there are four core asset classes here: equity, safe assets of fixed income, gold, and real estate. Real estate, we've talked about in enough detail. Get your primary home. I don't even think that's a investment in the first place. It's an emotional call, so just park that on the side.
Okay.
Now you have these other three asset classes, and mutual funds are not an asset. They're a food court. They're a tool to access equity. They're a tool to access debt. They're a tool to access gold. Reality is you will need to have a large amount of equity in your portfolio if you want to build returns, because it is the wealth creating asset class. It's the only asset class in India that has a structural reason to go up. Gold is a commodity. It's done well, but it's a commodity. Fixed income is fixed income. So you need to have some quantity of equity in your portfolio, but you need to be able to digest that quantity. So I think exposure to the top 250 companies is a must, and it has to be balanced out with exposure to debt and some amount of gold and silver. And if you're early, you can increase the equity quantum a lot more, and as you come towards retirement, start petering it down. So for instance, my mother-in-law is retired. She's super conservative, but she still has 1/3 equity. And
Wow.
yeah, but that's okay, because you retire at 60. Life expectancy is 80 to 90. You spend 20, 25 years of your life in retirement. So this myth that retired people need to be sitting on a bunch of FDs is actually a bit of hogwash. Right?
Wow, so that's a wonderful point. A lot of our viewers would also be, say, 50 plus or 60
Yeah.
plus, and they would want to know whether we are late to investing in equity.
No,
They're
no,
not.
because you have 20 years. And then, and again, we've talked about this, like my mother-in-law, if you've done this right, you can use smart tools to let retirement be a source of joy, because you generate quarterly income or monthly income. So
Yeah.
she uses a mutual fund tool called an SWP to get income back, which is the need of a lot of retirees. Retirement should be beautiful. It should be not working, not dealing with annoying little kids, and enjoying the money and life that you've built when you have time.